Do you struggle to find the right keywords, create clickable titles, thumbnails, and can't decide what video you should make next so you can get more views and subscribers? In this video, you'll discover the top 4 TubeBuddy tools I use to find the best keywords to rank for, correctly optimize your titles and descriptions, split test my thumbnails, and quickly identify the content my audience is craving. How to find the best keywords to rank for. This video currently ranks number 2 in YouTube search for the keyword phrase YouTube chapters not working. It also ranks number 1 in Google search out of 290 million results and shows a large thumbnail at the top of the page. How did I find this keyword phrase to get top rankings in YouTube search and Google search? I used a Keyword Explorer tool from TubeBuddy to uncover what people are searching for on YouTube so I can rank higher in the YouTube search results. I'll place a link to TubeBuddy in the description below this video. After you've installed the TubeBuddy Chrome extension, you'll see a TubeBuddy icon at the top of your page. Click on the TubeBuddy icon, select Keyword Explorer, enter your main keyword in the search box, so I'm going to enter YouTube chapters. Immediately, Keyword Explorer will show you the YouTube suggestions from the YouTube search bar. YouTube chapters not working, YouTube chapters tutorial, etc. I'm going to select YouTube chapters not working. I get a very good score, which means there's a little bit of competition, but this keyword is searched so often it's worth targeting. You want to get a very good or excellent score to make sure that your keyword is worth targeting. So search volume is good, competition is good, optimization strength is good, and number of videos and search results is 6.78 million. Keyword Explorer also gives me other suggestions such as YouTube chapters not working 2021, not working Reddit, YouTube chapters not working. I can also check the Google results if I click on Google. And I get the same related searches, YouTube chapters not working 2021, 2020, Reddit, not working. If I click on results, then I can see which videos are currently ranking for that particular keyword phrase. As you can see, my video YouTube chapters, timestamps not working, how to fix, currently ranks number 2 in YouTube search. This is out of 6.78 million total search results. If I hover over action, then I can copy this keyword phrase to the clipboard to save it for later. I can add it to my YouTube tags, I can add it to a topic planner, and I can optimize it in SEO Studio, which I'll talk about later. How to optimize your title, description, and tags using SEO Studio. To use the SEO Studio tool, click on the TubeBuddy icon. Under Extension Tools, click on SEO Studio. It says build the perfect searchable title, description, and tags for your video. So I'm going to enter YouTube chapters not working. My TubeBuddy SEO score is currently 62%, so I want to get it close to 100% as possible. Here it says how to improve your score. Include your target keyword in the title. So I've already got it in the title. I can also add how to fix. It says include your target keyword in the first 200 characters of the description. It's best to add a paragraph to the top of your description that includes your main keyword phrase that you put in the title. So I added the paragraph. In this video you'll learn where video chapters or timestamps appear on YouTube and Google search, why your video chapters are not working or not showing, and how to fix them. So you can see now I've got a TubeBuddy SEO score of 95%. So I've now correctly optimized my title and description for my video. The SEO Studio tool automatically adds suggested tags for my video. So I've got a TubeBuddy SEO score of 95%, but I want to increase it to 100%. So it says include partial matches of your target keyword and include more relevant tags. So if I click on add to tag limit, then I get a 100% TubeBuddy SEO score. Click next. This shows the thumbnails for the videos that are currently ranking at the top of YouTube search. So I've got my video at the top. Then I've got this one, which is currently ranking number 1. And then as you can see, I've got my video that ranks number 2 and then the others below. So if I want to create a clickable thumbnail that stands out from all my competitors' thumbnails, I would use bright colors and high contrast images, include a close-up of my human face, ensure the text is large enough to read on any device, particularly the mobile devices, use fonts, colors, shapes that are consistent with my brand. So as you can see on this thumbnail, I've included my face and I've included a text and an arrow so it stands out from all the other thumbnails. Later on, I'll show you how to split test 2 different thumbnails so you can see which thumbnail gets the most clicks. The 4th step is to apply it to the video. So I'm just going to click next, then I click Save Draft. It says optimization saved successfully. launch SEO Studio from a video edit page, or uploads to apply to a video. So when I upload my video, I can save a ton of time because I've already optimized the title, description, and tags using the SEO Studio tool of TubeBuddy. Discover which thumbnails drive the most clicks and views to your videos. The TubeBuddy Split testing feature allows you to split test two different thumbnails to see which one gets the most views and clicks. You'll need to upgrade to the Legend version of TubeBuddy to access this feature. Use the promo code HermansBuddy to get 20% off. I'll place a link to TubeBuddy in the description below this video. Click the TubeBuddy icon, click Create A/B Test Now. Here's an A/B test where the original click-through rate was 82.5% higher than the variation. When your test is complete, TubeBuddy will show you this page. It says based on the total number of impressions and clicks, we are 96.12% sure that your original will perform better than the variation. This is considered statistically significant. So I would choose my original thumbnail over the variation thumbnail. To create a thumbnail test, click on Create A/B Test, select the thumbnail. So I'm going to select this one. It says what type of A/B test would you like to run? You can split thumbnails or you can split titles. So I'm going to do the thumbnail CTR test. Click Select. You can select the number of days, like 14 days, or you can select Run until click-through rate is statistically significant. Usually I choose this one, so I can click Select, click Continue. Now you got to upload a test thumbnail. Click Choose File. I'm going to select this one, click Open, click Start Test. It says your initial results will be ready on Friday, October 29th, 2021. Now you've set up your thumbnail split testing feature on TubeBuddy. Quickly identify what content your audience is craving for. If you use the Click Magnet tool from TubeBuddy, it will help you expand your audience and drive more meaningful views by turning your videos into click magnets. Click the TubeBuddy icon at the top of the page. Click Launch Click Magnet Now. Click Get Started. Now you'll see Power Rankings, Opportunities, Element Inspector, and Advanced Analytics. Click on Power Rankings. This shows your top performing videos in all your traffic sources. If you want to grow your channel faster, make videos similar to your top ranking videos. As you can see, the top ranking videos have a high click-through rate, high watch time, and a high number of clicks. So I'd make another video similar to the top ranking videos. I can also change my traffic source from all to YouTube search, suggested videos, and browse features. So if I select the browse features traffic source, it shows me the top videos for that traffic source. If I want to get more of my videos into suggested videos, I can look at the top performing videos for suggested videos. Now we're going to look at opportunities. So click Opportunities. CTR opportunities are videos that are performing well with total watch time, impressions, average view duration, etc., with a low CTR and have the biggest potential for gain. These are proven winners, but not enough people are clicking to watch the videos. Focus on improving your titles and thumbnails to get the highest opportunity scores. To do this, I could split test my thumbnails as I showed you the split testing feature previously. I could also split test different titles. The Element Inspector and Click Magnet helps you discover which elements of a video packaging are actually driving clicks. Click on Element Inspector. Under Faces, you can compare face versus no face, emotions of your face, and sizes of your face. So under Face, No Face, the faces get a higher click-through rate than no faces. If I click on Emotions, I can see that Surprised has the highest click-through rate. Calm has the next highest click-through rate. Happy has the third highest click-through rate. If I click on Sizes, mixed size faces get the highest click-through rate, so you can add two faces to your thumbnail. Close-up of a face gets the next highest click-through rate, and long shot gets the next highest click-through rate. Medium shots have the lowest click-through rate. Under text, I can choose text versus no text. So text gets a higher click-through rate than no text. I can also choose words and titles. As you can see, I've got different click-through rates here depending on the words that I use in the title. The Advanced Analytics tool of Click Magnet enables you to view and export a variety of advanced metrics and video data. Click on Advanced Analytics. I can choose a time frame, traffic source, and minimum number of impressions. At the top here, I've got clicks, views, average duration, watch time per impression, click-through rate, and power rank. Under time frame, I can choose 24 hours, 48 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. Traffic source, I can choose search, suggested browse, or playlists. Under minimum impressions, I can choose 1 to 100,000 impressions. The top ranking video has a high click-through rate and a high average duration. If I click on watch time per impression, I get the video with the highest watch time per impression. If I click on average duration, then I get the video with the highest average duration. If I click on views, then I get the video with the highest number of views. If I click on clicks, I get the video with the highest number of clicks. So this tool helps you to quickly identify the advanced metrics for your top videos, so you can make similar videos to these to grow your channel. If you use these top 4 TubeBuddy tools, you'll be able to get more views and subscribers and grow your channel fast. Another important question is, how can you identify your target audience so you can create the right content for them? Watch the video on the screen right now to learn who viewed your YouTube videos so you can create the right content for them.